Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to check and manage friend requests on Discord. So, let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Once Discord opens, look at the bottom right corner of the screen and click on the profile icon. This will take you to your profile section. Here, you'll see an option friend. Simply tap on it. From here, you'll see an option friend requests. Simply tap on it. Here, you'll see all your incoming and outgoing friend requests in one place. If you don't see any requests, it means you currently have no pending friend requests. You can also use this section to manage your friends and keep your Discord account organized. And that's it. You've successfully checked and managed friend requests on Discord. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more useful tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.